Welcome back to another tutorial from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix lags and crashes by clearing your application cache on the Cleo AI application. So let's get started right away. If you are trying to use the Cleo AI application, but you are noticing errors such as lags or crashes and black screens, then the first step to fix this issue will be to clear your application cache. In order to do this, you can go into your phone settings and then go into apps. From there, go into app management and then just look for the Cleo AI application. Once you find it, you can tap on it, or you can also long press on the Cleo AI application and then go into the app info. Now from the application info page, tap on the force stop button to stop the application. And once it is stopped, you can go into storage usage. Now within the storage usage option, you will find the clear cache button. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will remove all of your cache from the Cleo AI application. Once it is cleared, you can open up the application again. And after this, you should not be facing any crashes or issues, and your application should be running just fine. If you still run into errors, you can go back into the storage usage page and also try clearing the data. But remember that clearing the data will also remove your account from the app. So you will need to log back in once again. And there you have it. That is how you can clear your cache and fix your storage lag issues on the Cleo AI app. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.